What's up with YouTube? It's your boy JD, aka LF4J. You see, we got this grown lady back here in the back. Yeah, this video, this finna be an interesting video. I ain't gonna even lie. A whole lot of noise. This all I'm saying is gonna be a whole lot of noise. But yeah, shoot. Don't get off again. You know, this joint is dirty, so. I try to wash it though. I ain't gonna lie. I try to wash it. I've been keeping a little beamed up, but the dirt, then the rims, it's like they get dirty so fast. Like since it's front wheel drive, like the brake dust just get all up on them. But yeah, go ahead and give them a little overview of the car. Shoot. Oh yeah, we gonna talk about that front grill. Once you know, ahead go to the back and whatever. We gonna talk about that front grill. Don't get off on me in the comment. She still looking, mine still looking the same. Still in need of a beam. Y'all can see, I gotta get some more stickers put back on it. So they're gonna be another video. We gonna go, you know, they're gonna be into the video. But yeah, she dirty. Hope the camera do a little justice, at least make her a little, you know, a little clean. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and go back to the front right quick. So y'all, I think the other day, I think like last weekend, it probably my first time, my second time even doing the dash in the car, I ain't gonna lie. So I don't know what happened. I guess I heard something hit my windshield, so I guess there was the bottom of it broke. I guess I was going too fast, I don't know. But I'm gonna order, either get one from the junkyard or I'll just order a whole new grill. It don't matter. And I'm gonna spray it back black how I had it first, so she can still look like Panda. Cause you know, this Miss Panda Express. Oh yeah, back in the background, you know, see my brother back, you know, my photographer, you know, he back from out of town. Y'all ain't, you know, of course y'all ain't seen him, but you know, he back. But yeah, we finna go ahead, head to the muffler shop. This is what the video finna be about. That's why I say it's a whole lot of noise. We finna go ahead and get the full 3-inch straight pipe put on it. I had ordered it off of True Bends with a Z. I ordered off True Bends with a Z. It came in like 3 days, 3-4 days. Oh look, wait till the loud old car comes in. Anyway, I ordered off of True Bends with a Z, TRUBENDZ.com. They got, you know, a whole lot of exhaust little kits, so y'all gonna put an exhaust in y'all car, go ahead and hit them up. But it came like 3 to 4 days. I had ordered it last Monday, I think yeah, about last week sometime, if I ain't mistaken. But we finna go ahead, you know, get it put on the car. And I can truly say this is finna to really be the only Impala. I ain't gonna say just it is in Memphis with the full, you know, 3 inches out. Well, I gonna say full because I'm gonna get the 3-inch going to the back, but I'm gonna eventually get a down pipe. So I gotta get the 3-inch down pipe, then it's gonna be full 3-inch, but of course it's still gonna change totally high. So it's gonna be way louder. Like I said, gonna be the only one in Memphis with the full 3-inch. I can fully say that. If I'm wrong, show me y'all car. That's all I'm saying. Show me the car. So yeah, we're finna go ahead to the muffler shop. The muffler shop is around the corner from my house. It's on 3rd, going all the way down toward the Mississippi. It's across from Dodges. I'm pretty sure y'all know what it is across from Dodges. It's really a low-key shop though, cause that's where I had went to go get my mufflers cut, the muffler delete. So it's really, this is the 2.5 down. No, I said down pipe. This 2.5 going, the factory 2.5 going back. As y'all know, the Meros, probably, you know, Chevy says all the new cars they got the 3-inch. Like I don't know why they didn't make these cars 3-inch. You know, they made it 2.5. So. And it should. I want to say it should have a deeper tone, and it should make my cam. You know, you'll probably hear the cam a little more because it's like it's restricting it type. It's like it's restricting it. So, mine right now, I'm gonna get a couple pulls when we get on the highway, so I can show you how it sounds like. Probably roll the window down a little bit. This one I need it. Y'all in the comments show me a little bit about the GoPros and stuff. I need a GoPro so I can start putting it on my car. So yeah, we're finna go ahead and get on the highway. Go ahead and get y'all a couple pulls in it, and y'all can see how before and after. Cause I had went to 2 muffler shops, and one of them gave me a high price. Just they ain't really just doing nothing but cutting my pipes down. But one of them gave me a decent price. You don't want to go too cheap. You got the money to go get it. You don't want to go too cheap. Cause they'll miss you up. But it's somewhere in the middle, you straight. But yeah, we finna go ahead and get on the highway, get y'all a couple pulls, and shoot, we'll be back. Oh yeah, another thing. I want to really give a thanks, of course, to all subscribers. Come on now, you ain't even got to be in the LFO Nation. I got a lot of subscribers not even in the LFO Nation that just rock with me. But I really want to give a shout out to all other the LFO Nation, my Trailblazer. I say Trailblazer Nation, my all of y'all. Cause it's like this car. Just like the GXP, the G8, Trailblazers, it's like y'all can see them, like y'all can see them, but at the same time, it's like it's still rare to even see it. Type, y'all know what I mean. Like these cars, you can see them. Like I ain't gonna say you can see them on the daily. You will see them you gonna see mine daily, but you see them once in a while. You like, dang, this is GSP or G8 or the Caprice or Trailblazer. Like when you see them, you like, dang, this a Trailblazer, but you just don't see them that much. But at the same time, they made a good number, so you will see them. So it just it's a little strange, but I want to go ahead and give a shout out to y'all because y'all get me there. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. Y'all really got love for the car. I most definitely got love for the car. This my first V8. So shoot, we getting on the highway right now. Gonna give y'all a couple of pulls. Come on, car, get out the way. So can hear it in the car though. There's not another Impala S6 in the city that sound like it. Come on, man, y'all move. Anyway, non-drivers, but like I said, there's not another Impala in Memphis that sound like this. And like I said, prove me wrong. If I'm wrong, prove me wrong. I really think, ain't nobody putting money into no Impala like I am, I don't want to say that in Memphis. Like I be wanting to get up with like my mechanic. He got the Impala S6. I be wanting to group up with the GSPs, Impala, Monte Carlos. This is like the LS4s, but don't nobody really have them. Like you will see them in Memphis. But they'll be like older people, like they ain't gonna want to be in nobody, no group or nothing, young people. It'll be cool, but you ain't just gonna see them like that. I had actually pulled up on on somebody. He had a white Monte Carlo. This probably the cleanest Monte Carlo I've ever seen. SS. That was probably the cleanest one I ever seen. And I chopped it up with him. I rolled the window down. Of course you can't see in here. I rolled the window down. Hollered at him saying I know I like it or whatever. He didn't even know I was this young in the car. They probably think I got stolen or something. I was like, nah, this is a car that I like. Told you, man, the key word is to be different. Make sure you always be different. Cause you can always see a Mero, Scat, Hellcat, Charger, Challenger. You can always see them pulling up to a CAMMED and an Impala SS. It's just gonna be ready. Impala SS, and they got money in it. It's just gonna be something ready to even see. So, y'all go ahead and turn up with me. And show, like I said, keyword different. Always be different. There's nothing wrong with being different. I ain't gonna lie. I could have still waited, stacked up some more change. I could have got me a Camaro. A Trailblazer SS and Camaro is coming to the channel, so y'all gonna be ready for that. I don't know when. Well, I want to say it's gonna be soon though, but I've been looking for him, looking at good little price. But them two cars for sure come to the channel. I don't even want to get another LX4. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. If I find a good deal on one, it might be the Monte Carlo that I get. But you can always see other cars, but this car right here, you just can't see it. That's why I'm respected more. Like I get way more respect because for like dang. I had put this one car me. He was like, you probably the only person I just know that's actually putting money into this car. I was like, yeah. And then it's so many people that got them out of town. This why I want to go and travel. Like this why I can't wait to spring break. The spring, summer comes, it's gonna be epic. I'm gonna try to travel a little, get around a little bit, get my name out there. But he was like, you probably the only dude that I know that's putting money into a car. Like I'm 19, and I put well, of course I didn't do it. I put a cam, I got a cam put in my car. I don't know no other 19-year-old doing it. I'm the only one. Let me not say the only one that I know of that's putting it on, putting it out there. So that's why I say, be different. That's why I get respected way more. But we on third right now. We finna go ahead, pull up to the muffler shop. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get there. So yeah, we just pulled up on third to the muffler shop on what you call it. Go ahead, show them what they get. Like I said, I know where it's at. I'm pretty sure y'all been down here. You probably going to the casino or something. So it's a low key shop though. So, we go ahead. talk a little number and see how much he's gonna charge me to go ahead and put it on. Hopefully he's still up. I can go ahead show you what I got.
You gonna wait on it?
Huh?
You gonna wait on it?
Yeah, wait on it. Yeah. No, I'm gonna do it now.
That's what I'm saying. Are you gonna wait?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Okay.
This is what we have now. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The neighbors, I might wake the neighbors up. I'm for sure I'm gonna wake the neighbors over there. Wake the neighbors over there 4 or 3 inches in the back. It gonna look better back there too. So I didn't look right now. It's cool, but I'm gonna have it kind of tucked a little bit. Probably have it tucked a little bit, just a little bit more under there, so it ain't gonna be hanging back like this. So I ain't gonna lie. I just seeing with them mirror rolls, them my chargers, how they sound like. I think they like 3-inch. So how they sound like, they be so loud. They be sound like a beat. And they too loud, but they be sound like a beat. So I gotta go ahead put through it and see how it gonna sound like. But I guess when they go on here. Go ahead and get it done, too. Like how I want it now. I want it like, I don't want it sticking out, so I want it like kind of like lined up with the bumper a little bit now. Like, I don't think I want to have it sticking out like how they are now. I'm trying to see if I want to do it long. I might just like I like the look now. But as y'all can see, straight pipe. Look how big it is under there. Yeah, I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm like, damn, I gotta hear my mama mouth on it too. She gon' my mama, she I ain't gonna say she don't care about the sound, she actually do, but at the same time, she like, dang, boy, you making it kind of louder? Yes. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm sorry, mom. I'm sorry to the neighbors too. But they were really, I wanted to do it though, but at the same time, this for y'all, this for the channel. more to come. Oh yeah, we gonna pull up to Rap Stars after this too. I'm gonna go ahead, go there see Will, Big I need to get some more stickers put on there. Like I had told you, I need some more stickers put on there. So I'm gonna get the Rap Star sticker put on the windshield and get the LS4J the YouTube put back on the side of it. So make sure y'all stay tuned for this. Don't skip through the video. Don't skip. I need all the watch time, so don't skip. I get those. Yeah, I'll get those. So y'all, this is straight pipe with the reds. The reds, with the resonate. This gonna be gone though with the new new 3-inch straight pipe. I'm gonna get the 3.5-inch tip, but this doesn't add no sound. Really, like it's just a big hollow what's called. So it ain't restricting nothing. But the cat in the wolf is really the only restriction. So this is factory. Look how small this is. I can stick my whole hand around like this small.
And the tip's gonna be another $100.
Okay. Okay, I'm with you. So, like, it's gonna free up some more space. Let me say this, but this is too little. If I keep my whole hand around it, like I said, all the newer cars, newer wheels, they running like 3-inch. Like that's why y'all know these huge in the back wheels. So, what's over? So, y'all gonna for sure get a different sound. Put up on my boy John, you know. This mechanic, man. Go ahead and get it. Let the window down a little bit. Go ahead and get a reaction on it. I just want to get how it sounds like. Cause it just sounds totally different. It just sounds so aggressive.
Yeah, it sounds aggressive.
And I'm just, it ain't even too much, you know, ain't too much, but until I get in it, this one it get, you know, and this one is scream. So, dang, what look at him?
Yeah, big claim to say it.
Yeah, you gotta look at him. Old school live.
He that boy. He that boy.
He hard.
He's scared of it.
He been out
He's scared of horsepower.
They just be flowing, what you call? You don't want to get in it, Joe.
I was there for gonna holler.
I'm so open to get in over there. He just so gonna holler.
Well, let me what is up. I know they all gonna holler.
Did they crackle and pop in the back?
Huh?
Did they crackle and pop in the back?
That's what it sounds like.
It sounds like
Oh God, I'll open up. Oh yeah.
Okay.
That hoe sounds good.
It sound good.
Yeah, it's the rich open that boy up. Screw the shit out them kids. They need to hold y'all with two hands.
No, these are being running.
Man, that hoe pulling.
I'm gonna definitely hold these over two way when I'm doing this. But they just be getting sideways in the front.
Yeah, that motherfucker. Beast mode.
But it's like it's kind of, like you see how quiet it is now.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, you know, it's cool. It's cool.
It sound different as hell from the other, from the stocks. though.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. It sounds
Yeah.
different. That's why I was like, man, I ain't. Only one in Memphis that sound like this.
Yeah, 3-inch, woke big boy up. Yeah, the LS4 go 3-inch, man.
This way, you won't regret it.
Man, that 3-inch, that boy ground.
So y'all, this wasn't planned, but well, yes it was. We finna go ahead and go up to Rapstar. So I go and get these stickers stuff put on. Hopefully they still up here, cause I've been at the motor shop for a little minute. I've been at the motor shop for a little minute, so hopefully they still up here. I can go ahead and get this stuff, get it done. Ooh, this a Trailblazer right here. Shoot, come on now. But yeah, dang, see this what I'm saying? This is just a coincidence. Come on, this a Trailblazer S6. Come on, and it's just clean. But yeah, we finna go ahead and put up on my boy Will. Hopefully he's still up here, so we can go ahead and put this in on the video too. So I'll get up with y'all when we get there. So yeah, we go ahead and put up on my boy. Glad he's still up here. I ain't gonna lie. Go ahead. See if we can go ahead and get this done. I was not supposed to get dirty today. I done got so dirty. But it cool though. This for y'all.
Yeah, they had to repaint something over the clear wood running first, so you gotta repaint.
He's looking like, what?
One of them is 371.50 and the other one is 14.30.
I'm gonna slow day or something. I'm gonna slow day or something.
Oh yeah.
Like you know, we can film, so you know, go ahead to Instagram, so they can get your phone. Come on, man. I'm doing it every time we can.
I just remember when I was there, you was telling me I was going to get $6 feedback on the room, so I was kind of waiting on my
on the phone right now.
account, and yeah, it ain't never hit.
These are probably in the midst of getting worked on. They still got pieces, trim pieces though. These are probably no. It's the right there. I forgot what they still called it, right now or something like that. But they just need it hard though, I ain't gonna lie. It's just hard. I don't know what is it, Toyota Toyota FJ. They just need it hard though.
Where did they go? I didn't even know how he go there right now. Everybody trying to talk to me one time. What the fuck does Kobe want?
No, he said Nate was trying to tell him something about his front bumper. You told me already. I just told him he asked me about when you think he should use those things running hard back.
He has running all the time.
That's why he said, oh, well.
No, I want some chili, bro. I'll keep these legs, but it's a little hard. Yeah, everybody they come closer, but I'm like, this camo.
That's why I told you to go with the element of the surprise.
So I'm gonna go ahead and I want the little pulley, the little black pulley route the camo.
But yeah, you order it's like what is it, $40 a yard. Like $45 whenever I order you a yard, you'll have a little extra.
Okay.
See some other shit you want to get. Is this you I seen you on the YouTube video this morning?
Racing the
Did the right up?
Black
Yeah,
truck.
I didn't need.
I
Riding this motherfucker. Now, never by the time everybody hit me up about this, I was like, nah, that is not me. I probably would have got this truck about 3 times. I would have towed that truck up. Dude come in just like me though with them. I got the rap black. He got the sunroof in it. He got the little wipers on the windshield, whatever. He got the tinted tail lights, dude. I was like, dang. I was like, nah, that ain't me.
I sure thought that was you.
Everybody thought that was me. You supposed to hit me over about this. I was like, nah. I would have left him worse than it.
You would have left him
Worse.
worse.
Toe him up.
Here he goes.
Toe him up. I need to go ahead.
For real.
Let me go ahead and get the little compressor. I got the 4.3 inch running to the back. I got the 4.3 inch first part running down there. You gotta go ahead and you gotta do it now.
You got it on there?
So whenever you know, let me
knock it that window. Look at her. You got her outfit to match. Fuck you, babe.
He said, girl, did you see my fucking card? Yeah, I saw your card.
Who brings up this?
You gonna get a Look, this the Saturday. You're gonna tell you what's his here.
Mine cost so damn wild.
For real. Like, girl, you gonna put one
I
on them?
thought it was a tractor, boy.
Yeah, track. Somebody hit the radio.
So how you like it?
They so cold. You don't like pasta, but you like food.
I hate to go.
I don't have no tail. They was cold. They don't want to eat. Never it's cold. The wrap don't never want to stick. Hey, do fun.
So, what's the Instagram or something? Get some followers or something.
Underscore is KP. Follow her Hoshi Creator.
That's it. Yeah, she part of the restaurant team. Bud still ain't said his Instagram yet. Bud, you still ain't said your Instagram again.
Wow. It was the same color blue you had. It's the same color you had. Oh, that car so damn loud. I was listening to it. I was in there. I said, damn, that car loud as hell.
I wasn't finna do it. I just, just for the same thing.
Huh?
I just did it for the same thing.
So when you drive, is that loud too?
When I like flew it, like getting the gas.
Oh, okay.
But it ain't like this on cruising. It's still a bit loud, but it ain't just like how I would.